Cooking with your child is a great way to practice early math skills. Watch how Charles and Scribbles practice counting by placing the ingredients in a line and touching each item while counting. Listen to the math language that Charles uses when comparing sizes and quantities, using words like more and less, biggest and smallest, add and subtract, all while following a simple recipe.
And the very hungry caterpillar became a big, beautiful butterfly.
Wow!
The end. What do you think about this story, Scribbles?
Oh, it was amazing.
I thought so too. It was the way that little caterpillar became a big, beautiful butterfly. It was kind of inspirational.
Yeah, that part was great, but
Yeah.
Mr. Charles, did you see all that food?
Yeah, I did. He ate a lot. He ate a lot.
Yeah, that book made me want to be a hungry little Scribbles.
Well, since you're hungry, why don't we make a snack? I have a new recipe I want to try.
Okay, yeah, snack time. Let me go wash my hands.
Okay, me too, and I'll grab the ingredients.
Okay.
Okay, the snack that we're making today is a fruit caterpillar.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. So for this recipe, we need 1 strawberry, 2 grapes, 3 raspberries, and 1, 2, 3, 4 blueberries.
All right.
Yeah.
Let's get cooking.
Let's get started.
Woo.
Okay, so actually let's put this here. So how many strawberries do we need, Scribbles?
Oh, 1.
1. Okay, 1. And how about the grapes?
Oh, we need 2 of those.
Okay, 1, 2.
Oh, and 1, 2, 3 raspberries.
Whoa, okay, ready? So you said 1, 2, and a 3 raspberries.
Yeah.
And finally,
Oh, blueberries.
yeah.
4 of them.
blueberries. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Voila, look, when you go from largest to smallest, it really does look like a fruit caterpillar. What do you think?
Mr. Charles?
Yeah.
This fruit caterpillar doesn't look delicious.
Oh, Well, we can always change the recipe.
Oh, okay,
yeah,
great.
yeah,
Well,
okay.
that strawberry there.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
kind of by itself, so maybe we should just move it over to your side.
Okay, so I'll take this 1 lone strawberry and make it for my caterpillar. So 1.
I'm gonna need at least 5 grapes here.
Okay, 5 grapes.
Yeah.
So, okay, we'll add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 grapes.
Thanks.
Yeah, that looks good.
Also, I don't know what raspberries taste like, so I don't want them in there.
Well, I love raspberries, and we're gonna, so how about I take away these 3 and add them to mine?
Oh, sure.
1, 2, 3.
Cool. Oh, I'm thinking I'm gonna need at least 5 more grapes.
Ooh, 5 more. That sounds good. That sounds good. So you already have 5. Let's add 5. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh no!
Oh, what happened?
These
wrong?
little tiny blueberries,
Yeah.
they just look so teeny next to the big
Ooh.
juicy grapes. We better add them to your caterpillar.
Well, yeah, let's do it. I'll add these 4 blueberries to mine. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, now my caterpillar's perfect.
Yeah, and we changed our recipe too. That's pretty cool. So for my fruit caterpillar, I have 1 strawberry, 1, 2, 3 raspberries, and 1, 2, 3, 4 blueberries. How many grapes do you have in yours, Scribbles?
Oh.
Yeah, let's see.
1, 2,
Okay.
3, 4, 5.
I think 6, 7. You got this? 8,
9,
9, 10 grapes!
Whoa!
Awesome!
10 grapes, yeah, 10 grape caterpillar, my favorite kind.
Well, we changed our recipe and we made something new and cool. And you're a really creative chef, Scribbles. This was fun.
It sure was. Thanks, Mr. Charles.
Yeah.
Children can learn so much math while making a simple snack. Different recipes may have a different math focus, whether it's counting, measuring, or adding and subtracting. Children who build early math skills tend to also develop early language and literacy skills, which can lead to success in school and beyond. For more early math recipes and resources, visit readyforpre.org.